Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how you can change the game language of Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. If you're new to computers or not really familiar with video games, here's how you can do it. First, if you're in the middle of a game, you must return to the main menu. Changing the language won't work if you're in the middle of a session. Once you're in the main menu, just go to Settings. Inside the settings, you would want to be under the General tab in case you're on a different page, but most of the time you'll be here straight away. Now at the very top and directly below the General label is the language options. Just click on this drop down bar and choose the language you want. After you've made your pick, click on Accept on the bottom left of your screen to apply the changes. The language will immediately change upon application. If you accidentally switch to the wrong language, just remember the language options placement and revert it back to the one you want. And that's basically all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.